Once you're done editing your video, you need to upload it to YouTube. So either you can Google YouTube or you can go to the waffle and you can find the link to YouTube. To upload the video, you click on the plus video sign and then you click on upload video. Then you either drag and drop or you select your files and find where it was. So normally it's going to be in My Files or Downloads, or you might have put it inside of some other place inside of your Google Drive. But either way, you just find it and open it. Now this is where you can retitle it. It's processing your video. You can give it a description. You can upload a thumbnail from part of your video, or it's going to just select part of the video for you. And this will pop up once the video is done processing. You can end up leaving it on this page or come back to it later and then make further changes. You can assign it to one of your playlists if you had different playlists, but you probably don't if you haven't ever done this before. And so I can decide what part of the video I want. So I'll just have it on my title. And yes, I made it for kids. You may have to verify your account. And so I remember a long time ago, that's what I had to do. So if you're struggling with this, you just might have to go to those extra steps and do whatever verification YouTube wants you to do. Here's a link to my video, and I will need to copy that because this tutorial needs to be inserted into my website and turned in for your assignment. So I'm going to copy video link, and then I'm going to go to next. I can add an end screen if I wanted to, or whatever. I don't ever do this, but you can do that part if you want to. And then you're going to publish this just for your safety as unlisted. I normally just publish mine as public for you guys to view, but this means that anyone with the video link can watch your video, and nobody else can watch it. So if you're doing this professionally and you want to get out there as a YouTuber, then you probably would want to do public. You can schedule when it comes out or just leave that blank. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And if you haven't copied the link, you can copy it there. And I'm going to hit close. And then here is where all of my videos that I've created are located. So here's my newest one on top. I can go back in and re-edit it if I need to. Here is my dashboard with all of my videos that are on there. I can click on my channel, or my face. And then, so if you click on your face and you want to go back and manage your videos, then you can go back to manage videos and it'll take you back to that editing screen. So here you go. So if you accidentally press something over here and it takes you to a place where you have no idea where you're at, again, just, so here's my playlist, my list of videos. And then I want to go back to manage my videos. Just again, click on your face. And then click on manage videos. And then I can go back here. I can re-edit it if I need to. If you forgot to copy the link to the video, you can go back there and copy the link. Basically, that is how you upload a video from YouTube. So now you're going to take this link that you copied and you're going to go back to your Weebly website. So www.weebly.com. So this is the main website. And then you can re-sign in. And then when you're here, you're going to go to Edit Site. And then you need to find where you need to put your how-to tutorial video. So we click on How-to Tutorial. and then make sure that you're on build. And then this is where we need to figure out where to insert your video. You could always insert a button and a link to the tutorial, but it looks much nicer when you actually embed the YouTube video into your website. So I clicked on that More button, and then I keep scrolling down. So you might see and think, oh, I can just add an HD video. Anything with a lightning bolt is not free. So that is not an option. And so what we need to do is go ahead and find where it says YouTube video. Drag and drop that into your website. Click on it, and that's where you're going to insert your URL. If you're using a Chromebook, you do that 2-finger touch to bring up the menu, and then you paste it in there. And then once I click outside of this, it'll upload my video. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click publish, and then that part of the DEMA requirement is done for you.